What's up guys, welcome to the perfect stream. As you can see from the name of the video, it's a special video. It's talking about the DJI Mavic Air 2. Yeah, so if you're one of them that is interested with drones, well, this video is for you. So I'm going to tell you all you have to know about the Mavic Air 2. As you can see, there's some paperwork over here. So before we get into this video, I'll tell you that I don't have the unit right now because it's not allowed in my country to bring this unit over here. Before we get into this video, sorry. Okay guys, for those people who don't know me, I am Yazan. I will be arranging categories into different subjects like the first one is videography, photography, the drone shape, how it looks from the other Mavics, the drone features, the new controller. As you have, if I went to your watch history, I bet I'll find 5 videos at least about the Mavic 2 Air or the Air 2. So it'll be videography, photography, the drone shape, the drone features, the new controller, and there will be an extra stuff between them. Okay, so let's get into videography. It shoots 4K 60 FPS, HDR. As you know, quick shots are improved, much improved. It shoots in D scene-like. It has a new codec, H.265, but what I don't like about the videography is it lacks that 10-bit color profile. But it's okay because it's hard to process on a computer. You need a fast computer. I'm not going to waste another $3,000 just buying a new computer. Okay, I think that's it for the videography. Let's head on to photography. Okay, photography. The specs. You have 48 megapixels JPEG, there's no RAW option. HDR, if you don't know what HDR is about, a drone takes a couple of different photos at different exposures and stitches them all together to make one whole photo. It shoots RAW at 12 megapixels. But what I don't like about the photography thing about it, it only shoots 48 megapixels, which is insane, yeah, for JPEG only. It doesn't shoot RAW. That's why it's kind of not good for photographers. Like if you want to be a photographer, shooting with your drone, getting money with your drone, you have to go for the Mavic 2 Pro. The drone shape. Yeah, as I'm showing you up on the screen, the drone is slightly bigger. Yeah, and it's not sleek as the Mavic Air 1, which I love the sleek design. But yeah, things gotta change in life. Yeah, but it has the look exactly like the same, but a little bit smaller of its bigger brother, the Mavic 2 Pro. It's in between the Mavic Air and the Mavic 2 Pro, which is not too small, not too big. It's a great drone. It weighs 570 grams. Register it. It's under 250. Most countries do that. Okay, so I think that's it for the drone shape. It's slightly bigger. It's not sleek. It has the shape of its bigger brother, the Mavic 2 Pro. Yeah. Now for the drone features. Active Track 3.0. Yeah, we all know how Active Track is really great. In the Mavic Air series, Active Track wasn't that great because, you know, if you went under the camera, under the drone, it'll just lose you, and it's not that as professional as Active Track 2.0 on the Mavic 2 Pro. So now we have a much better one, which is the Active Track 3.0. It even sees thin branches. It's really great for like running, cycling, hiking. But yeah, if you want to take a sky view, it's much better because it lacks the side sensors and the upward sensor. At least they had to put the upward sensor. Yeah, how can I get back to home? It has improved quick shots. Okay, it has improved quick shots. Yeah, there's a question. I hope you answer me down in the comments down below. Yeah. Does it have the gesture control as a Mavic Air 1? I don't know. I want to see your answer. Now let's head on to the new controller. Yeah, we all are surprised for what the new controller DJI have made. It's really kind of bulky when I saw it, but it really is the same size compared to that one, but it doesn't fold down. Yeah, so it has a much better battery. And it's better for relatively larger hands. Yeah, you feel comfortable with if you have a large hand, and even if you're not. Okay, it has longer battery life, 240 mAh, which can charge your phone, which is really good. And the main thing that is the whole problem, maybe for me only, yeah, because this time is the screen is on top, which is very good. DJI had thought in this thing. Okay, the fourth thing is the antennas. Antennas is no longer an issue right now. You don't know how to face them. Don't worry, it's built in the controller. Yeah, it's built in. I don't know what I don't like about the controller is it lacks of the buttons. Not that much buttons on the controller. No built LCD screen. Yeah, I was expecting to have an LCD screen like the Mavic 2 Pro, but it wasn't built for that. It's so bulky, it has to have. But why do you want to have an LCD screen while you have your phone on top? Like, who forgets his phone these days? Okay, I think that's it with the controller. And now for the battery life of the drone. We all know, as you saw from the DJI drone Mavic Air 2 trailer or ad, is that its battery life is significantly much larger or bigger than other Mavic drones. It's the best until now from all the Mavic drones. It has 3,500 milliamps, gives you 34 minutes, which makes the flying of the Mavic much longer. Not much longer, 34 minutes. Let's be realistic, it's only 30 minutes, yeah. Okay, that's significantly much better. Like, it travels 10 kilometers. Oh, I spoiled that. Okay, so I already, you know that. Okay, some extra stuff that doesn't kind of relate everything. Yeah, but in this video I'll be showing you everything, all you need to know about it. So I don't want to make this video very long. So let's complete. Sport mode. It goes 42.5 miles per hour in sport mode. I think DJI thought of the quiet props. Yes, quiet props. 4 to 5 decibels less sound and annoyingness. Yeah, if you try the Mavic Air 1, you know what I'm talking about. It's a misery. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the extra stuff. I love the extra stuff. Decibels 4.4 to 5 decibels less. Okay. And now, what separates the Mavic Air 2 from the other Mavic drones? Well, what separates it is that it has AirSense, which is the first drone to have in the DJI drones. It has OcuSync 2.0, which can go up to 10 kilometers. Yeah, I didn't finish that AirSense one. Yeah, if you don't know until now what's AirSense, it's only available, I think, in the USA version and the Canadian version. So if you go for the European version, you won't find AirSense. And the new controller, one thing about it that they will have an update that you can use the smart control for it, which is great something. Yeah, the new controller, which comes with the ordinary package, is kind of like that smart controller. Okay, let's get into subject here. Okay, so yeah, these two, AirSense and OcuSync 2.0, is what separates these drones. Like, who wants more than 10 kilometers? It's too much. Maybe your drone laws and restrictions won't allow you. Yeah, but it's good to have these thoughts. There's no longer issues with the signals. There's no longer signal loss. Yeah, up to 5 kilometers at least. That's too much, 5 kilometers. Yeah, and yeah, one thing about the controller, one thing about the OcuSync 2.0 is that it helps 1080p transmission. Not like the Mavic Air one, which was 720p. Yeah, it's significantly much better. Okay. For who is this drone? Yeah, you're asking for who is this drone. Well, I'm looking when I'm researching. Is that this drone is for videographers much better. It supports videographers much photographers. Yeah, because 4K 60 is what you need. You have much variety of choices. Well, I don't think much users of this drone will use 4K 60 because it's not that cinematic look. Yeah, if you wanna like have the natural look, but into humans you'll kind of shoot 4K 30, 4K 25, 4K 24.9. Yeah, so I think it supports for videographers much better. It has much options. Unlike the photo, if you're a photographer, yeah, one thing that's the videographer that doesn't like, it lacks the 10-bit. Like, for me, I don't want 10-bit color because it's really large file, and I'm good with the 8-bit. Now, for photographers, I don't recommend this because 48 megapixels is only for JPEG, not for RAW, and that's why most photographers use RAW to edit them and color grade them. And yeah, unlike the videographers, they use the DCI-like profile, so they can color grade, color correct. Yeah, it's much better. I hope DJI makes that 48 megapixels for the RAW. It would be much better. So yeah, I gave you my opinion. It's not a mandatory something like there. It's great if you want to be a photographer. You want to get money. You want to be professional with your drone, aerial photography, getting money, getting stuff with your drone, making it a commercial use. Yeah, I don't recommend this because the Pro 2 would be much better for photography and something. I think the Mavic 3 Pro will come out and will be much better than this because they gave you something like sample. And yeah, okay, let's figure the advantages of what I said right now. Okay, we've got a whole lot of advantages and at a low price, $7.99 only. So the advantages, where is it? Yeah, I got it all in paper. It's hard to remember it. Yeah, so you've got a lot of advantages. Longer battery life, 4K 60, 1080 at 140 FPS, which is great for slow motion sports and much better. Like you can slow down. Way down. Improved quick shots like the point of interest, quieter props, OcuSync 2.0, AirSense, Active Track 3.0, 48 megapixels photo. There is like 12 advantages at a low price. They improved a lot in this drone. Like Mavic Air took the Mavic series along and they say it changed the aerial photography. And again, it changes it with the Mavic Air. And it's only half the price of the Mavic 2 Pro, which is really great. Okay, we've got some disadvantages, and we'll be comparing it right here on top of me. Okay, disadvantages. Not much buttons on the controller. I don't know, you have only one function button, you could use it. I don't know if that's good for you. Not unlike that old controller, it had many buttons and down. Yeah. One compass. If you researched a Mavic Air 2 drone, it only has one compass, which is bad because maybe if it loses that one compass, you'll be in big trouble. Like you'll lose control maybe. Yeah. There is no LCD screen on the controller. I don't know if you're good with that, yeah, but they had to at least put sensors on the side. So we got 48 megapixels, only JPEG, not RAW. Yeah, I told you that. Lack of 10-bit color profile. Lack of top and side sensors. So we've got 6 disadvantages and 12 advantages. So please don't go. I think you're bored until now. Please don't go. Okay, if you learned something new, please subscribe. And if you've got any value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. As I said again, I'm saying again. And please share this video to your friends, to your something, yeah. Okay. And catch you up, guys, in another video. Peace!
A whole lot.